38 Walker Street is one of only 14 waterfront townhouses in all of Oakville, extremely rare. These were originally built in the 80s, and most of them have been renovated, but 38 has been completely rebuilt with modern finishes and quality. Down at the end of the street is the entrance to Tannery Park and the Waterfront Trail. It is arguably the most beautiful waterfront trail in all of Oakville. But come on in and see these quality finishes and be mesmerized by the view.
This thoughtful redesign is complete with custom finishes, like the reconfigured staircase and the walnut paneling, resembling the feel of a luxury hotel. This incredible kitchen comes fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances and a 17-foot wide kitchen island, which is not only functional, but perfect for entertaining on this incredible back patio that overlooks Lake Ontario and has unobstructed lake views. It's just so peaceful out here.